pendidikan untuk kita semua.
Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to our presentation. My name is Cira Marta Deanggani Tagalog from XP and my friend.
My name is Kanaya.
My name is Dewi Regina Dianti from XP.
My name is Saidilal Arafman.
My name is Rizky Badian.
We from group 4. And this is video we are going to explain how to make it ketoprak. Ketoprak is traditional food that is simple, delicious and healthy because it contains vegetables and peanut sauce. It's also easy to make at home with simple ingredients. In the presentation, we will show two rendition and sing the ketoprak by side.
We hope this video can help you understand the process clearly and make you interested in trying it at yourself at home. So, without waiting any longer, let's begin this tutorial on how to make ketoprak. Let's see it!
Thank you for watching our video presentation. We hope presentation can help you understand the step make ketoprak.
We also apologize if there are any mistakes in our presentation. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.
Bye. See you the next time.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Bye-bye.